Dale, and I am going to go over March 2023 numbers with you. These stats come from the Midland MLS, and just it's all Midland County. What's going on, Midland County, Texas? So first, we always start with houses on the market. Red is our 2023 line that we're going to talk about. So right now, we have just under 450 houses on the market. This is the least amount of houses we've had on the market in the last 3 years. So it'd be interesting to see how the market plays out this year as we get into it. I believe there's going to be less and less motivated sellers out there because most everyone is in a 2%, 3%, 4% loan. And it's going to take a lot for them to leave that interest rate and to move up if they're financing to a 7% interest rate. So we shall see what happens moving forward with houses on the market. Let's go look at what demand is. All right, same colors. Red 2023. We have just under 275 houses under contract right now, which is how we measure demand. This time last year, we were at almost 425 houses under contract. So our demand has definitely slowed down. The Feds continue to raise interest rates, trying to slow down this hot economy, and they're doing a great job in the real estate community. And we'll get back to interest rates in a minute. As you see, we're slower than where we were this time last year, but we picked up a little bit from where we began the year. Beginning of the year, we started off real hot. And I had buyers lock into a high 5 interest rate, low 6 interest rate. And so I think that's what sparked a lot of the activity that we saw at the very beginning of the year. And then things have cooled down a little bit. So we'll see what happens moving forward. Price reductions, this just shows you how many price reductions we had in each month. We've seen price reductions return again. So house isn't selling. Everything boils down to price, and buyers are more sophisticated than they've ever been. They know where the value is whenever they're looking at houses. This is very interesting. Houses under contract in price range. So we're trying to figure out which price ranges are hot right now. What's each one of them doing? So we got 6 price ranges right here. The most demand, we've seen demand pick up the most, is 350 to 500. You see they're the green line. Boy, they popped right up since the first of the year. We have clients that are just looking for houses in that price range right now, and it's hard to find something. When we do find something good, it's multiple offers, and so we're talking about the shrinking inventory. Houses on the market is shrinking. There's still that demand out there. And, pricing is based off of supply and demand. So we may have less houses on the market and less demand, but if that gap doesn't grow, then prices will appreciate. So, which will go into another graph of what we'll get to that just says exact opposite of what's going on. And then another price range that has picked up under 250. Look how much the light blue line has popped up. So just a weird year so far. It's been weird for 3 years, and I don't know if we're ever going to see some consistency until things start to settle down a little bit, and we find people settle down with interest rates and what else. Everything else is going on in this crazy world right now. Mortgage rates, you're seeing it. This time last year, they were at 3%. Now they're at 7.25%. Interest rates have just been so low for the last 10 years. And I'll tell you right now, I wish I would have bought 3-4 houses in this last 10-year period had I would have known how good we had it 10 years ago. But now, historically, looking back, interest rates are finally getting back to what they normally were. Normal is not, the 3% interest rates. I wish they were, because man, you can get yourself into a cheaper payment that way. But right now, the Fed is raising interest rates, trying to slow down this inflation, and interest rates are back to where they were before the last 10 years. You can see we go back to 2000, year 2000, we were at 8.5%. 2007, 2008, we were around 7% too. So it's just the market that we're in right now. All right, average sales price. Okay, according to these numbers, our average sales price is now almost $350,000. That's down from where we were at the end of the year. So I can say, okay, well, January, February are usually our slower months, and this is a lag number as well. So we said the beginning of January was very quick. You had houses on the market that sat on the market for a while. Those few buyers that were able to jump in probably snatched up a pretty good deal, and that's reflecting here in our numbers. We'll see where this goes in the future. Give it 2 or 3 more months. Let's get some spring data in here and see what happens to the average sales price in Midland. All right, here's the percent change. All right, we're down 4.5%. We just talked about it. Let's get some more data in here and see where this average sales price goes. Average day to market, 52 days. Still not too bad. Not as low as it was last year when our market began to change. But 52 days, we'll still take that. All right, and that wraps up everything that I have for you today. I'm trying to keep these short, but hey, my name is Dale Lookabaugh. I would love to help you find your house, sell a house, navigate you through this crazy real estate market. We'll be sure to take good care of you and give you both sides of everything. But please like, subscribe, please comment. I want to hear your feedback. What do I need to be doing differently? And thank y'all for watching. If you've made it past this point, you are a real soldier, and I really do appreciate that. All right, thanks. Bye.